Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template, Booster 5, fully responsive and totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful e-commerce template. See for you in Booster 5 and totally free. Guys, also I will share the complete course snippet link inside this video description. So friends, here we go. So let's see. Beautiful top section, just beautiful. Mini cart, search items, all categories. Browse the categories, see guys. There are multiple. And the mega menu as well. See guys. The main sliders as well. See guys. The character features popular, newly added. See guys, just beautiful. The main thing is the quick view section. See guys, the beautiful quick view section for you. See, yes, beautiful. And the more, see guys, see the multiple things. Deal of the day, men clothing section, new arrivals in Carousel. See guys, feature brands again Carousel. Again beautiful section, monthly best sell from the blog section. See guys, Happy Mother May deal and these outlet top selling hot release subsidies and the beautiful footer. See guys, scroll to top as well. So I see the beautiful e-commerce template for you, and like always, it's fully responsive. See guys, will work for all the devices. The toggle navigation. See guys, and see will work for all the devices. Just brilliant. So guys, see, this is for you and totally free. Now friends, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Now friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. There's a blog. In this blog, you will get multiple free things, and here is my contact and advertise page. On this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number as well. So guys, see, all the things are free, and see the multiple templates as well. So guys, in the end, I must say please subscribe me and please support me. So friends, after it, I will come with more free templates. And guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.